Okay children, we can change singular countable nouns to their plural form in many ways. Let's learn them. Means children, here are some rules to change the singular number into plural. Okay, see the first. We can make most of the nouns plural by adding s. For example, cat, cats, pen, pens. Some other examples are car, cars, and book, books. Okay, the next, nouns ending in s, double s, ch, x, sh take is to make plural. Means when the word end with s, double s, ch, x or sh, we added es to make plural. How children? Box, boxes. Class, classes. In other ways, fox, foxes. Means some other examples are fox, foxes, bus, buses, dress, dresses, and brush, brushes. Understand? Now the third. Nouns ending in f or fe change their endings to ves. Means when the word is stopped with f or fe, we added here ves to make plural. For example, knife, knives, thief, thieves. Some other examples are life, lives, loaf, loaves, half, halves. Understand? Okay. The next 4 is some nouns ending in f or fe take s. For example, roof, roofs, chief, chiefs. The next is children, the other examples are belief, belief, beliefs, cliff, cliffs. Okay. Now the next, nouns ending in a vowel and y take s. 5 number. Nouns ending in a consonant and y drop y and take ies. Means when your word stopped with ending consonant and plus y, we drop, means we remove the y and add ies. Fairy, fairies. See children carefully. Lady, ladies. Same as the other examples are monkey, monkeys. Kangaroo, sorry children, I am going to repeat 5 number again. Nouns ending in a consonant and y drop y and take ies. Means when your word is stopped with consonant plus y, we drop the y. Means we remove the y and added ies. Here are the examples: fairy, fairies, lady, ladies. I have some examples. First is city, city, city. So T is consonant here. So we remove here Y and added IES. City, cities. Fly, flies. Army, armies. Same as family, families. Okay. Now the next 6 number. Nouns ending in a vowel and Y take S. For example, boy, boys, day, days. Means children, when the word end with vowel and y, we remove y and added s here to make plural. How? Like boy, boys. I have some other examples to give you. The first is monkey. Okay, monkey. E is vowel here. So we remove y and added here s. Monkey, monkeys. Kangaroo, kangaroos. Okay. Now 7 number. Nouns ending in a consonant and o take es. For example, potato, potatoes. Mango, mangoes. The other examples are buffalo, buffaloes. Tomato, tomatoes. And hero, heroes. Understand? I hope you all understand now. So come on, next page. See, the last 8 number is a compound noun usually forms its plural by adding s to the principal word. For example, stepmother, stepmothers. You know very well what is compound noun. When two words join together, it will be the compound noun. How? Stepmother. See here is a step and here is mother. When we joined it, it is stepmother. So, which is the principal word here? Step or mother? Yes, of course, mother. So, we added s in the principal word. Stepmother converted into plural, stepmothers. Same as commander-in-chief, commanders-in-chief. Stepson, stepsons. Maidservant, maids, servants. Okay, so brother-in-law, brothers-in-law. I have the some examples are first freedom fighter. So it will be freedom fighters. Police officer, officer. So which is the principal word here? Of course, officer. So we write here, when we convert it into plural, we write police officers. Son-in-law, sons-in-law. Understand? Now, some nouns are such that they seem to be plural but they are used in singular form. We can also make their plural. For examples, 100, 1000. When we write it in plural, we write here hundreds and thousands. Some nouns are used only in singular form. Means we have some words that we write only in singular form, like information, postage, politics, news. These are the words we write it in the same. Some nouns are used only in plural form, like spectacles, shoes, scissors, pincers. Okay, so I hope you all are understood and you all are understood about the noun, number, singular, plural, countable, uncountable, and you all are understood about the rules that we can change the singular number into plural. So children, I am going to stop it here. You just read this page again, see the video carefully, and then do exercise A, exercise B, and exercise C in your book with good, clear and clean handwriting. Write the plural forms of the given nouns, give the singular forms of the following nouns, and look at the nouns and use correct helping verbs. Okay, thank you.